Welcome to another session of Tuple. This is Algomiz, a complete channel for web development. Let us now learn how to join two tuples. To join two or more tuples, you can use the plus operator. Let us see an example. Here we have two tuples, called tuple 1 and tuple 2. One is alphabetical tuple and other one is numerical tuple. Now declare a variable called addTuple in which we have to store joined list of tuple 1 and tuple 2, for which we can use a plus operator. Now printing out addTuple will give us a joined list of 6 elements. Tuple 1 and tuple 2 is joined as a single tuple now. Moving on, let us learn multiplying tuple. If you want to multiply the content of a tuple a given number of times, you can use the asterisk operator. Let us take a tuple called fruits, which has 3 items in it. Declare variable mul. Multiply the fruits tuple by 2 and store this value in mul. What do you think the output would be? Let us print out fruits tuple now. See the output here, mul tuple have 6 items, such as we got a tuple multiply the fruits tuple by 2. Now try multiply with 3. Here we are getting output with 9 items, which is triple the number of items in the fruits tuple. This is all about multiply tuple. This is the end of today's session. See you within another session. We have one more session for tuple. Thank you so much for watching. Happy programming.